So start by getting some small glass containers and a little bit of masking tape. And then you want to draw some triangle eyes, nose, and a jack-o'-lantern mouth on the masking tape. And then just cut out those pieces that you've drawn. Then you want to stick those pieces sticky side against the glass to the inside of the jar. Obviously being taped, they'll just stick right to it easily. Make yourself a little face there. You can do them happy, you can do them angry, whatever you'd like your little pumpkin jars to look like. Take some orange acrylic paint and dump some in the bottom of the jar. And then you just want to turn the jar and let the paint swirl all the way around it. This will give you a nice coating without any brush marks, so that the paint will look perfectly smooth against it, just like that. And the masking tape will keep it from sticking in the facial parts. So you want to let all your jars dry, and then just go in and peel off the pieces of masking tape from the inside. It can take a little bit to get it started, just because you have to peel some paint off the back to get them out. Once you've got them out, you'll have a little face. Stick a little tea light inside and let it glow. These look really cute when you have a bunch of them lined up. If you want to make your couch a little spookier for Halloween, take some batting. You just want to stuff that anywhere where there's cracks in the couch, between the cushions, or where the back meets the couch. Make it look like some mice have chewed it up. Then take some little plastic mice and put them around in those pieces of stuffing that you put in all the cracks to make it look like they're responsible for destroying the couch. To make a little spider web, you can glue 3 popsicle sticks together to make what looks like a little bit of a snowflake right now. And you just paint it white, which also kind of enhances the snowflake look, but we're going to fix that in a little bit. Take some heavy white thread, flip the snowflake over, and tie the thread to the back side of it. Then flip it right side out again, and you're just going to loop the thread around each of the little arms on your snowflake. Just go to the left, then loop it around the underside of it. And go to the left and loop it around the underside of it. And you just want to do that all the way around until you've done all 6 of the arms there. When you get back to the beginning, then you just want to start another row a little bit higher up. But then you just do the same thing, going all the way around. And when you get all the way around again, you'll start another row. So you just keep going all the way around until you have as many rows as you can get. You want to keep the string taut while you're wrapping too, because that will keep the string from moving. You get to the end, just wrap it around a few times and tie it off to itself. You can cut off any excess. And then take some little plastic spiders. I'm using little plastic spider rings here. And you can just cut a slit in the ring so that it's movable. And then you can just clip the little spiders right around the popsicle sticks. And they'll just hang on to those. The little ring part will hang right onto the popsicle sticks. You can also glue them in place if you want them a little more solid, but I like them loose because then they little move on the spider web.